Hello, can we lift people by using cranes? So if you want to use the cranes to lift people, it's critical that you adhere to a strict set of requirements. In fact, cranes are not designed to be personal lifts, and most crane manufacturers specifically state that their machines are for material handling. But we all know that it's long been recognized, and cranes are used sometimes for lifting people. But what we have to do if we do that? So we have to ensure that actually all the safety scenarios, all the risks are considered, and we use the devices specifically designed and actually um, suitable to use to lift personnel or to lift people by cranes. So the real issue is how people involved in the lifting operation deal with safety issues to ensure that the crane and operation will not injure or kill someone. Well, that's criticality. On one hand, we say it's not manufactured or designed to use to lift people by cranes, and on the other hand, we see it is happening. So unless we take appropriate precautions, yeah, it is possible using proper baskets, proper lifting devices, and security double slings or security devices, etc. And they are still, regardless of how many precautions we take, we still see large number of workers injured or killed while being lifted by cranes. So I'm sure that many of those injuries and deaths could have been avoided if we, of course, follow the correct procedures. So, if not mandatory, if there are other options and possible ways of doing things safely, we have to avoid lifting people using cranes. So that's it for this video, and see you in next videos. Thank you very much.